Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to another beginner tutorial, and on this session we're going to look at these new features that was added in Webflow. We have the quick stack, VFlex and the HFlex, and if you notice, grid was taken down here to others, which is pretty weird. So let's have a look at this quick stack. I already have my structure all set, so inside of this I'm just going to go here and click on this new quick stack. Let's see what it does. Right, so I clicked on it. It's just basically a grid, but this time around it is a grid that has been pre-built for you. So what you have here is a quick stack, quick stack. Inside of it you have the cells that are inside. Now you can manipulate all of this yourself. Either you click on the quick stack here, or you click on the cell, and you can choose to either click on this plus sign here to add more rows. See, you can click on here to add more rows, or you can even click on here, this arrow. Once you click on this arrow, it simply means you're going to merge these two cells together. So you see, if I click here, see, I've merged these two cells to become one. Now notice something. Let's start again from scratch. I go here, click on here, go to quick stack, and I click it here. Now you see we have presets. You have the the single one. You have the two by two. Is it two columns by one row? We have the 3 columns by one row. We have the 4 columns. We have like different styles. We have the 2 by 2, but in this style. You have the 2 by 2. So you can choose to pick any one you want to use. So how do you go about using this? It's just a bunch of div blocks, but then they are pre-built. You can now choose to fill each cell with elements. For instance, you can say, okay, in cell 1 you want to bring in an image. Boom, then you choose the image you want to use. Let's just use let's just go here and select a random image from our laptop. Oh well, let's just use something very random. Let's say this, for instance. Oh no, it's too small. Okay, yeah, we have that. We have this image here. Now we have this cell, the first cell having that image. Now you can either go to quick stack or click on the cell 2 and come here and also maybe put in whatever you want to put it in. Maybe a paragraph. Put in a paragraph, click on the cell 3, come to add panel here and put in a button, just like that. So you have different elements in each of the cells. So that is that about the quick stack. It's just like a grid, but then it is more pre-built, giving you access to different styles and different layouts basically. We also have here, notice we also have here, we have the VFlex and the HFlex. So these are flex box, vertical flex and horizontal flex. Instead of you flexing your stuff manually, like for instance, you would bring in a div block. Let's say we have a div block here. So instead of you coming here and trying to say flex box and horizontal or vertical, now you have this VFlex and HFlex, vertical flex, horizontal flex. So if you click on vertical flex, it's like a pre-built flex box. Click on it, so it's a flex box that is set to vertical automatically. So you see, which is good. I don't see why I would use this, but then it just helps your build more faster. So by default, whatever you put inside, let's say you put in a button, inside of it, and you put in a paragraph. See, it's now displayed vertical. So inside of the flex block, you have the button and the paragraph displayed vertically because of the display is set to flex box vertical. So that is that. So you have this is new. HFlex is horizontal flex, and we have this quick stack. Quick stack is just grid, but then it gives you access to different layouts and different styles. You can manipulate the layout. It's really good. I think I like this quick stack because there are some layouts that you would see, maybe gallery or team members or some images. So you can just use quick stack to just easily get a layout, then stack up your images how you want to stack them up. So I think that is that about that. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.